Good morning, children. Today in English class, you will learn how to read CVC words with letter E. CVC words are three-letter words having consonant, vowel and consonant letters. Okay? As you all know that vowel E has two sounds, long sound and short sound. Children, repeat after me. Long sound says E as in engine, and short sound says eh as in elephant, as in egg, as in elbow. For the reading practice, children, open the page 105 of your English workbook and read aloud the words with vowel E. In the first section, let's add ed. Children, E says eh and D says d. Now we are going to add ed to the consonant letters. Let's begin. This is letter B. B says B. Add means to join. E, D, ed. It makes the word B, eh, d, bed. See, this is a picture of bed. Bed is a kind of furniture on which you sleep or rest. Let's try another one. This is letter R. R says R. Add, ed. E, D, ed. It makes the word R, eh, d, red. See, this is red color. Move to the next. This is letter W. W says W. Add, ed. Now read the complete word W, eh, d, wed. Wed means get married to. Now let's add egg. E says eh. G says g. It makes egg. We are going to add egg to the consonant letters. It's a letter K. K says k. Add egg. It makes k, eh, g, keg. Keg is like a wooden drum in which you store things. This is letter L. L says L. Add eh, g, egg. It makes the word L, eh, g, leg. See the picture of leg. It's a part of our body. This is letter P. P says P. Add eh, g, egg. It makes the word P, eh, g, peg. Peg is a kind of small pin to secure hanging things. Let's add N. E says eh. N says n. It makes N. Now we will add N to the consonant letters. This is letter D. D says D. Add eh, n, n. It makes the word D, eh, n. Den. Den is a home of lion. This is letter H. H says h. Add eh, n, n. It makes the word h, eh, n, hen. Hen means it's a female bird. This is letter M. M says at N. It makes the word men. Children, two or more than two male person is called men. It is the plural of man. This is letter P. P says P. At N. The word is pen. Pen is a writing tool. This is letter T. T says T. Add N. It makes the word ten. 10 is a number. In this section, let's add at. E says T says T. At to the consonant letters. This is letter J. J says J. Add T. At. It makes the word J. T. Jet. Jet is a aircraft. This is letter N. N says Add T. At. It makes the word T. Net. This is the picture of a device for catching fish. This is letter W. W says W. Make your lips round while speaking W. Okay, children? W. Add T. At. It makes the word T. Wet. Wet means covered with water. This is the picture of a wet shirt. Let's add app. E says B says B. It makes app. Let's add app. This is letter W. W says W. Add B. App. Now the complete word is B. Web. This is the picture of a web. Do you know now? Web is the home of spider. This way we will read 3 letters E family CVC words. I hope this video will be very informative for you all. I am sure if you follow this video in your reading practice, gradually your child will be able to read more big words. Thank you. Take care. Bye-bye.